Hi! In this tutorial, you will learn how sunlight effect in Photoshop. Let's get started. First of all, take the new layer. Change the blend mode to hard light. And go to the layer effect, take the gradient. Adjust the gradient. Style radial angle 90%, scale 120%. Then take the color from the color picker. Change the opacity to 85%. Select the second layer. And then select the subject with help of the Quick Selection tool. Remove the extra area with help of the Quick Selection tool. Then press Ctrl+J to make a copy. Change the opacity to 70%. Select all layers, then group. Rename the group to Effect. Let's see the before and after. Please like the video to support us. Subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.